How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add devices to Razer Synapse. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just open up the Razer application. And basically from here, normally your device will automatically be added to the Razer itself. But if it's not detected, you can just click on the refresh button and then it will try to detect the devices that's connected within your computer. Now, if it's still not connected, you can make sure to check whether your Razer supports the Razer Synapse. So let's say that you are using something like your keyboard, and then we have different sorts of products right here. You could also try heading over to the device manager. And then from here, you want to look for your device. Let's say, once again, we are using our keyboard. You could right click on your Razer product, click update drivers, and then search automatically, making sure that you have the latest drivers that's supported with your device. And so that is how you connect or add device to Razer Synapse. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.